Welcome back. It is just a couple days before the start of 2026, and we've come a long ways this year with this house. Maybe I'll try to find a photo or a video, short video of where we were 1 year ago. If I recall, we had no walls. We had our slabs poured, just our slab, the one slab for the house. In a few months, we should look kind of like this. And we'll see what we've got done today. Good morning. Site's nice and clean. Septic tank is being used now. Our cistern is full of water. It's not potable water yet. We're going to have a big filter system set up. This will be our dirty kitchen area. Outside kitchen. This will be some kind of a yard area. These are 2 additional lots that I can build on. And this is the maid's room. Leads straight into the kitchen area, pantry. And our light panels are still in here. That was our stage for our Christmas party. And I see all the balloons are down. I'm not sure those kind of funny looking lights there. Not exactly sure what those were. They had something to do with the Christmas party. This will be a nice big sliding glass door. Kitchen, eating area, dining room. And those are just empty boxes, unfortunately. I was hoping my wife would tell me those were nice, big presents for me. Oh, missed that step. So I'm not sure, you want to take this down or leave it up?
Yeah.
I think we might want to leave it up. Huh? Okay. I thought we might keep this up for a safety, security measure, but he explained to me they're going to start building this wall. I need to discuss how high this wall is going to be. Okay, so I'm glad I talked to these guys because I'm not going to have a wall here. This is going to be a glass panel. So I'm having them put these boards back up, keep it nice for safety measures. So we got half a crew here, a skeleton crew. And our foreman is actually one that is not here. So I've got to make sure that we're all on the same page. My foreman knows what's happening. Some of this stuff I know what's happening, and some of this stuff I have not made final decisions on. So, which was that wall issue that we just around these stairs that we were just discussing. Carmelo, is this a window?
Yes, sir.
How big?
120, 140. The height is 140.
Where's the top?
It's finished, sir.
That's finished?
And this
This is
is
finished?
the finish.
This finished too?
120, sir. The length and the height is 140.
120, 140.